The 2025 Chevrolet Suburban is a full-size SUV that offers a blend of power, luxury, and practicality. It's a versatile vehicle that can handle everything from daily commutes to family road trips and off-road adventures. Design asterisk. Asterisk bold and muscular asterisk. The Suburban boasts a bold and muscular design with a large grille, LED headlights, and a commanding presence. Asterisk spacious interior asterisk. The interior is spacious and comfortable, with ample seating for up to 9 passengers. Asterisk premium materials asterisk. High-quality materials are used throughout the cabin, creating a luxurious and refined atmosphere. Performance asterisk. Asterisk powerful engine options asterisk. The Suburban is available with a range of powerful engine options, including a V8 and a turbocharged diesel engine. Asterisk smooth transmission asterisk. A smooth shifting automatic transmission ensures effortless gear shifts. Asterisk off-road capability asterisk. The Suburban offers impressive off-road capabilities with its advanced four-wheel drive system and various terrain modes. Technology asterisk. Asterisk advanced infotainment asterisk. The Suburban features a user-friendly infotainment system with a large touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and advanced navigation. Asterisk driver assistance features asterisk. The truck is equipped with a range of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Overall asterisk. The 2025 Chevrolet Suburban is a versatile and capable SUV that offers a comfortable and luxurious ride. It's a great choice for families and outdoor enthusiasts who need a spacious and powerful vehicle. Key features asterisk. Asterisk powerful engine options. Asterisk spacious and comfortable interior. Asterisk advanced technology and safety features. Asterisk impressive off-road capability. Asterisk bold and muscular design. The 2025 Suburban is a strong contender in the full-size SUV segment, offering a compelling combination of luxury, performance, and practicality.